In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make video games inside Claude Code by using Claude's latest model, Claude Fable 5, without writing a single line of code. So I'll show you the whole process step by step. So let's get started. So here you can see I'm inside my Claude Code, and here our first task is we need to add the Higgsfield MCP. And the reason behind using Higgsfield is that for the video game we need the assets like images, videos, audios, and to generate those contents we're using the Higgsfield. So to add the Higgsfield MCP, first of all you have to simply go to the customize section, and from here you have to go to connectors, and here you simply have to go to this plus, then go with add custom connector. Okay, so as you can see in here we have to give the name, and here the name will be Higgsfield, and now we have to give the MCP server URL, and I had given the link in the description. If you follow that link you will come to this website, and from here you simply have to copy this URL, and then you simply have to come here and then paste that, and after that just go with add. So as you can see it just added, and right now we have to connect that with our exact Higgsfield account. To do that, just go with connect, and it will ask for the permission, and make sure that you already have a Higgsfield account, otherwise you can't log in. So in this case let's go with allow, and that's all it is. And now let's go with open Claude. So as you can see it's now refreshing, and it's saying that connected to Higgsfield successfully. And here choose the Higgsfield, and make sure you choose all the permission, always allow. So what's gonna happen, it will not bother you just by asking different questions or different permissions each and every time. So now let's go to our main task where we'll start to generate the video game. By the way guys, if you want to learn more about AI, then you can join my private school community, the Hello AI. Inside there you'll get access to all of my premium level lessons with ready-made templates and workflows, and also we do live session call every week where you can join and ask me anything they are live, and as a community member you'll get direct messaging support from me. So if you're really interested to explore different ways to make money through AI, then this community is a perfect fit for you. The link is given in the description, and nothing to lose, just give it a try for 1 month. So my plan is very simple. Basically I'm from Bangladesh, and I want to make a video game that literally goes perfectly with my country's culture. And the purpose behind this is I want to show you that how you can be creative and you can literally come with something very new. So here let's give it a very simple prompt, something like this. So here I say that I want to build a 2D river journey game called Maji. So basically the Maji means the boatman, and here's the playing idea. So I'm a boatman rowing a traditional Bengali nauka, which means boat, down a monsoon river. I steer left and right to dodge floating logs and passing boats, and I catch hilsa fish. So basically hilsa is a popular fish, which is the national fish in Bangladesh, for points. As I travel further, the weather slowly changes from a golden sunny afternoon to dark storm, clouds and rain, and the river gets faster. Basically that's the main idea, that's the main concept. Obviously for your case that concept will be different, the concept will be more detailed. And now the most important thing, okay, so here say that use the Higgsfield MCP for all of the visuals and audio. So that's the reason behind that we actually added the Higgsfield MCP. And in your prompt or in your command, if you don't mention that use the Higgsfield MCP, so it will not understand that it have to use the Higgsfield MCP to do these things. And then I said the art style for everything, hand painted, watercolor, folk art inspired by Bangladeshi rickshaw paint art, warm bold colors, hand painted texture. For the music, one calm Bengali folk track with bamboo flute and the simple water and rain sound effects. So this description is for Higgsfield so that it can generate the assets perfectly. And at the last I'd say that in very simple way, give the asset, count small, when it's finished, publish the game, and give me the playable link so that I can play that. And before going with send, now we have to do something very important, because that's the main purpose in here. We have to use the Claude's latest model, which is Claude Fable 5. So to change the model in here, you simply have to go to the model section, and here you can see Fable 5 will be here, and make sure you are using Claude's Pro plan or Max plan. If you're a free plan user of Claude, you can't get access to the Fable 5 right now. So I'll choose the Fable 5, and here for the effort, let's go with the highest one, which is Ultra Code, so that we can get the best possible output. So now let's go with simply send. So throughout the whole process it will just ask some permissions, and you only have to go with allow, and that's the whole thing you have to do. And obviously it will take some time because there are so many things it have to do. It have to generate some images, it have to generate some videos, it have to generate some audios. So yeah, let me just back with you. So the video game generation is done, and it took me like 1 hour to do the whole thing. Again, it did everything by itself. So it's saying me the game is finished and published, and play it in here. So if I just go to this link, I can play the game because the game is already uploaded on higgsfield.gg. So let me just go to this link. Okay, so here's our magic game, the boatman. So to start the game, we only have to type space, and to control the steer, we can use right or left keys, or we can use also AD. So let's start the game just by typing the space. And here you can see here's our boat in here, and it's in the river, and here's our hills of fish, and we have to escape these tree branches. And I think if we hit one of the tree branches of these kind of boats, will die. And I can see at the top right side there are 3 lives it shows, and if we hit one of the things like this, you can see 1 life just done. And let's just hit another one. Okay, let's hit another one. I guess like it will say us to restart that. So here's our countdown, like how many hills have we got, and that's the best result. Okay, and this is the score. And here's the assets Claude has generated inside Higgsfield by itself. So for some reason it's not showing these assets in here for the preview problem. These are the things it generated. So you can see basically there's the river image, and it used Nanobanana 2 to generate that. Here's the main character image, I guess, or the main character's board image, and here's some other stuff. I think it will use this thing just to give a complete overview. And here's the hills of fish, and here's another overview. So this kind of asset generated, and through that basically it just used that on that game. So in our case, we had given the command in a very simple way. We described the thing what we really wanted in that game very shortly. But if you need a better output, if you need a better game, then make sure that you described a lot. You describe very specifically what the video game will really contain, what kind of things it have to do. For the ideas, you can just take a look in this stuff. You can see there are like so many video games already people made those, and some of those are already added in here. And you can see this is the video game we just generated, and right now already 128 players like played this game. And you can see like we got like 23 users of this game. Again, like it just in under 1 hour, I guess. Okay, we just got some popularity by the way. So yeah, you can actually take a look of these video games, and you can play those so that you can understand that whatever game you can make, what are the possibilities for you, what are the opportunities for you. And I tried some of them, and I really like this one, which is a first person shooter type game. And this game is really cool. You can see that it seems like Counter-Strike a little bit. Okay, and the best thing is like this game has been generated by using Higgsfield and Claude, and the person who made this game, he literally used those things. And it's a kind of like a multiplayer game. You can see we can shoot the enemies, something like this, and based on the kills we get money. And also we have HP. You can see that I have 82 HP left, and if I die, I just gone. Like I guess I have like 2 lives. So just go to Higgsfield, and you can literally try this game by yourself. And there are so many games. So we have like Bullet, we have Turbo Shells, we have Cat POV, and as like this, there's so many cool games already people made, and you can literally just make your own game right now. And like my game, your game will also be added, and you can literally just share the link with your friends, and they can also try. And they don't have to be a user of Higgsfield, I guess. Like most of the gamers, they have a dream, like when they will grow up, when they will learn the coding, stuff like this thing, they will make their own game. And for some reasons, most of them they quit, because to make games you need to learn so many hard things, and they just drop their dreams. But right now you can do that. You only have to give the command or the prompt, whatever you say, in a very simple way in plain English to Claude, and make sure that you also add the Higgsfield MCP with that, and your game will be created under an hour or something like this. So yeah, that's the whole thing I want to share with you. I think that's a great opportunity. And also on the other hand, it's true that you can't make a game like GTA 7, something like this right now. But maybe after some updates, maybe it's possible, who knows? Because like AI is growing so fast. So I advise you to all, just be creative, try these things, enjoy these things. It will help you a lot in long run. So yeah, that's the whole thing guys. I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like. And as like always, see you with a new video. Till then, peace.